Oh my god, hey guys, wow, I haven't seen you guys in like a century. Yeah, that's gonna be my schedule now apparently. I'm going to be posting every 5 months. Subscribe! Thank you. I am sorry I haven't posted in a really long time. School, you know. Okay, so as you saw from the title, I'm going to do a Christmas look. This is one of my favorite looks I've done ever. Like ever. This makes me feel so creative. I got this look from Instagram. I'm not that creative, so if you want to see how I did this look, keep on. Ow! Oh my God! Ow! Okay. If you want to see this look, keep on watching. So let me tell you the background story of this look. Last week, it was Christmas week for our school. They did like a Christmas week theme thing. That on Monday you get to wear ugly sweater, and on Tuesday you get to dress up as whichever Christmas character you want. I dressed up as Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I did the makeup and everything. That's going to be a video coming out soon. Don't worry. It's winter break now, so I have a lot of time. So stay tuned for that. That's coming very soon. On Wednesday, it was festive day. You get to be festive and stuff. Wear Christmas lights, accessories, whichever you want. Thursday was pajama day, and on Friday was go all out day. I went all out, you know what I mean? This look that I'm going to do right now, I wore to school. And you may be wondering, oh my god, how much time did that take you? Doesn't school start like around 8 a.m. for you? Yeah. And you wanna know at what time I woke up?
At 4:48 a.m.
And as well as Tuesday that I did the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer makeup, I woke up at 4:40 as well.
Oh my god, I am sister tired, okay?
Yeah, just letting you know. I put in so much dedication to these looks because I want them to look like amazing, you know? Because I've never really done that before. I've never really like did these kinds of looks. I never draw designs on my face. I just do like a simple like smoky eye or a simple natural look. It's a really fun look, and I want all of you guys to try it out as well. If you try it out, please send them to me. I really want to see. Like, this is a really cute look. So I didn't wear foundation to school for this look because I'm not gonna wear foundation. I'm not gonna put on a full face to school, you know what I mean? I'm going to sweat it off, and I'm not about that life. So what I put on is concealer, which is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which is thebomb.com. If you know makeup, you already know that Tarte Shape Tape Concealer is like one of the best concealers out there. I got it and I tried it out, and it's amazing. Like, whoo, you know, waking up at 4:40 a.m. my under eyes look terrible. So I use this concealer. It makes my underbags look good. Doesn't make me look like an alien. And to blend the concealer out, I use my Morphe Beauty Blender. This beauty blender is amazing, just saying. I have a mirror right here, just saying. I'm going to put a lot because, you know, I need a lot. So I'm just gonna blend it out. I can't believe 2019 is here. Like, in a matter of days. Like, 2019? Like, I still remember 2015, like, if it was yesterday. It's crazy how time flies. So when you're done blending everything out, you could use powder. It's your choice. I use powder because it just makes my face look even. I use the CoverGirl Professional Loose Powder. I put it under my eyes and around my face. And I take all of that powder out with this brush. It's just a normal brush. Wow. Balling on a budget, you know. So when you... Sorry that, you know, that plane decided to take over my channel. So just a normal brush. You could use whichever brush you want to take out the powder. Now when your face is all done, you're going to move on to eyes, which is the best part of this whole look. If you follow me on Instagram, I did a Santa hat on this eyebrow and Christmas lights this eyebrow. I'm going to start off with the Santa hat because it's easier to do, because the Christmas lights are harder to do. Yeah, period, that's it. What I'm going to use to create my Santa hat is this brush. It's the Morphe M217, and then I'm going to use this NYX Professional Makeup Matte Liquid Liner. I'm just going to do this, and then I'm going to draw out the Santa hat. So I'm going to start off drawing the first line around the middle of my eyebrow. Then I'm going to draw another line at my arc to connect both lines to create a hat. And there you go, you outlined the Santa hat, and now you are going to fill it in with red paint, red lipstick, whichever you want. I use red lipstick. I use the Victoria's Secret Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick, and I use the same brush, and I'm just going to fill it in. Now, I'm done with the Santa hat, but we're not finished yet because we have to add in the iconic white ball at the end. I used the NYX Professional Makeup White Liquid Liner. Now we are going to the next eyebrow, which is the Christmas lights. To create the Christmas lights, I used the same brush I have used throughout this whole look to draw out the wires. And I used the same black eyeliner, the NYX black eyeliner. When you're done with the wires, you are going to create the lights. I really hope I do not get copyrighted because, as you can hear, I hope, I'm playing Harry Styles. If you don't like Harry Styles, bye-bye. Subscribe first, and then bye-bye. So what I use to create the lights is the Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette. I use the glitter shades to make the lights. The first shade that I'm going to use is this red glittery shade. Now I'm going to use my white eyeliner to make an oval shape inside the light so it could look more realistic, so it could look like the light is lit up. The next shade I'm going to use for the next light is this blue glittery shade right here. So the next shade that I'm going to use is this green glittery shade right here. Next shade I'm going to use for the next light is this matte burgundy shade right here and this purple glittery shade right here. I'm going to combine both of them.
Sweet creature, wherever I go.
The next shade I'm going to use is this glittery aqua shade. The next shade I'm going to use to create the next light is the red glittery shade that I used for the first light. So the next shade I'm going to use is the blue glittery shade that I used right here. The last shade I'm going to use is the green glittery shade. So now, finally, I'm done with the Christmas lights. Last but not least, in this Christmas look are the candy canes. What I do to make my eyeliner sharp is tape. What I'm going to use to make the candy canes is the NYX white liquid liner and the red lipstick. So as you can see, I did both eyeliners off camera. And when you're done with the white eyeliner, you can use red paint, red lipstick. I use red lipstick to create the lines to make a candy cane. So as you can see, I finished both eyes. This is what it looks like. And I already put lashes. I put small lashes because I don't want the lashes to be covering the candy canes. I used these pack of lashes. They're right here. Thank you, Gracia, if you're watching this. She gave me these for Christmas. Thank you. Now I'm going to do right here under my eyes. I'm going to use this burgundy shade right here, and I'm going to use this brush. The mascara that I used, by the way, is the MAC Studio 3-in-1 mascara. I'm going to use one of my favorite products, the Becca highlighter. I'm going to put highlight on my cheeks, on my nose, and on my brow bone. And last but not least is lipstick. And that concludes the video. Thank you for watching. This is how it looks like. I enjoyed it so much, and I really hope you enjoyed it as well. If you want to recreate this look, please send it to me through Instagram, Snapchat, message, wherever. Because this look is such a beautiful look. I've never done anything like this before. I really hope I can make more videos like this. Stay tuned for the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer makeup video because that's coming out very soon. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you sisters later. Bye!